Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. On Pendle, I've covered this some time ago, I think in January or something, but I just had to do a new update on it. It's a bit of a weird crypto. It reminds me a little bit of Teller back in the days when that was up only. But no, I mean the thing is with Pendle, it's a bit of a crazy crypto. All right, so I'll try to give you my thoughts on it. But the thing is that this is very much manipulated. It really is. I mean, if you just look at the price action right here, I think that's enough proof already. But just in general, if you look at all of the statistics and if you look at all of the numbers, it's not a normal move up. All right. So I mean, you can see that if you look at where the volume comes from, it's actually not too bad. I mean, there's some weird volume coming from Arbitrum. Almost 6 million, so that's a bit weird, I must say. And apart from that, a lot from Pionex, Websy, OrangeX, which are all exchanges which are a little bit shady. And excuse me for my voice, it's really nasal right now, but I'm doing my best to make it as clear as possible. So altogether, I mean, Pendle, if you look at it purely technically, it's bullish, but there is a bit of a snake in the grass in that. And that at some point of time, Pendle is probably going to fall pretty hard, all right? So if you look at all of the statistics, and like I said, and if you look at all of the numbers right now, it looks good. I mean, the open interest right here, it's also up and down. But in general, it's been up, all right? So the open interest is increasing more and more. More and more people are putting money in positions in Pendle. More and more people are opening positions, and that's what the manipulators want, because they want as much money in Pendle as possible. And then at some point of time, what will start to happen, and that could still take some time. I mean, that could still take like a month or 2 months. So it doesn't mean that much, but you can see all of the time right now, a coin goes up like this. It's bearish market circumstances. People short. What happens then is that shorters get liquidated, then a lot of people long, and now you can see there's a lot of liquidity between 2.75 and at 2.5, so in this area. So it's quite likely that Pendle reacts quite well to psychological resistance levels, all right? So 3.25, 2.75, 2.5. So now we're at 3.25. I don't see any reason yet why we would see a major crash. I mean, the only way you can see that is if the open interest really starts dropping down here. So I don't think that's the case yet, but with all that liquidity at least 2.75, I would be very surprised if Pendle doesn't drop down to grab some liquidity. All right, so I do expect a bit of a drop in the next couple of days down to this level here at 2.75. If we get that drop and the open interest starts to increase rapidly as well, so that it drops down towards or below $50 million, for example, then it's possible we'll get a bigger crash down to 2.5 and 2.25 even. But I think it's most likely, if you look at everything right now in the statistics, that it's most likely that we'll still do a little liquidity grab, followed by a continuation up to 3.5 and 3.75. So that's what I think is most likely, and that's what I'm looking at. But the thing is I would say that if you're a beginning trader, I would probably stay away from Pendle, all right? Or just play with very low position sizes because this is manipulated. And what that means is that the manipulators are probably making money. And then if you look at the other side of the equation of the traders, it's retail. And if manipulators are making money, retail is losing money, all right? So be careful with it and trade responsibly. But those are my thoughts on what you need to watch and what to expect from the price. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested when I'm potentially taking a trade on Pendle. I took a little bit of a short from this level right here, so that worked out pretty well. But overall, I wouldn't short Pendle. But yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.